There's a few things in business that you've got to do. You have to make a profit. But the most important thing that you have to do is prove to yourself, and most importantly your bank manager, that you are in fact making a profit. And it's a lot simpler than a lot of people believe. In fact, you do not have to have a fully integrated complex system. By simply having the normal balances that every company has at the end of the month, which is what you owed and what you owe. So you take the asset side of the business, which is could be your debtors and your stock. That's your asset side. And you take your liability side, which is what you owe, which is usually your creditors and your bank. And you reel it off and you end up with a figure at the bottom of the page. That'll be your net worth at the end of that month. At the end of the next month, you do this exactly the same figure, same calculation, and you compare the figure from the month before. And if it's gone up, well, you made money.